Yeah, it's been like raining for 1 hour now. Oh Jesus. Yo, watch out. Finna fall. Man. It's crazy. The wind was like too harsh. It just blew open the door of this side. Let me close it. That is, I don't care, let it stay locked. They come after the storm. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Guys, it's like thunders and I don't like thunderstorms. So you guys have a nice day. Take care of yourselves. Pray. Love, forgive each other, and stay tuned. Maybe pre some boats on the low. Yeah, those they're like yellow, small troughs for water. I think underneath them there's something like, you guys have probably done geography, you know, sailing and things like that. I don't know, but where you see those small troughs, these nets that are surrounded like that, you follow the way they're set there to just trap the fish until the fishermen go and like raise the ropes from the ground. So simply enjoy the view and have a nice one. I didn't realize that I zoomed myself too much. Oh man, I know you guys. Peace. Stay safe. I love you, God loves you. Me and Thunder, we're not friends, man. That thing just did some lightning. Let me go. Just says like time's up, so I love solitude though. Just chilling alone. Get nice, fresh thoughts, and who doesn't like to think positive? And just express where you're a little bit, yeah. Like I think when you say you're alone, you still don't understand what's the meaning of. I think no, it's just better to say like those are the first stages of solitude. But when you're optionally alone, that's solitude, and I think that's nice. No, I'm talking too much now. I love you guys. Stay safe. Good night. So this is a countdown. I've been seeing lightning, so I'm gonna count down 10 to 0 to see if there will be any lightning. I think it's just cute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No lightning. I'll try again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God, thank you. Genuinely thank you. That is oblivious. I don't know. Oh my God. That was deep. Thank you, God. Thank you. Can I get a thunder? Here. Oh my days. I got that covered. Oh, this is acts of faith, man. Thank you so much, God. Thank you. Thank you. I just needed that. Water hyacinths have maneuvered to the, I don't know if to call it a show or I don't know. The first time I saw them I was like, that's crazy. Somebody was running from like down there, from like down there all the way to the lake. At night you'd probably fall inside thinking that's grass, but when you reach there you see it's moving. It looks like it's a water. Some of them in the lake there. And so that's not grass. Don't step there. Die. Don't Loki transports them. Imagine snakes maneuvering through those grass in the water. They just right scared. Keep out high shit. Man, I'm so disappointed. Just now, I'm from reading the Bible, then there's like people in the water. Trying to go get my phone to film. People are throwing stones at it. By the time I want to film, the hippos are like deep in the lake now, you can't see them. And they were like right there. Big hippo, like it's like a mother with its child. I couldn't see them, I'm mad now. But it's so good, they might regroup again in the jungle. In the jungle where I be at, it's not a jungle, I'm playing. Let me just stand up. I'm have my camera face up like this because I don't know what breed of birds these are. Like they move so fast. They always chill like this and like almost about. They work like in a fleet, you know. I don't even know. Man. They got entourage, you know. Yeah, man. So let's wait and see if they'll pass on top of me. I'm timing up. Hopefully I catch them because they move so fast. So fast. Fishermen coming from catching fish. Look at them birds there. I'm looking weird now. 3 hours later. They're still not there. Mind you, it's not like the video is fast, like these birds are fast. And I'm not seeing them, I'm really pissed. What's up with today? Okay, instead catfish plant. Oh, Jesus Christ. That bird is cute. Whoa. Seen it flying like somebody push it out of there. I beg you fly. I'm gonna throw a rock at you now this point. Give me a rock and get these birds flying. They look cute when they flap and they wings. So hopefully I don't rock anybody's head. I won't lie, whoever does not accept to lose isn't necessarily a winner. So I forfeit.